Oh man, I forgot to mute everybody. There we go. Okay. All right, guys. So look, it's our Monday training. Sorry I was late today, but like I said, I was working all the way up to the last minute and still not 100% fully where I want to be, but I'm far enough that I can show y'all what we got. So let me go share my screen real fast and show y'all what we're doing here. All right, guys. So now you guys will be able to add something like this to your now site websites now. Okay. So this right here is going to be real good for engagement. We took the call to action to a new level. So now you'll put your introduction right here. It could be anything. You could be talking about a product, you could be talking about a service, whatever. Okay. So let's say right we are going to do a demo and show you what you can do on this page when you're on this page. So we're gonna get right back at you. Now, you can make it landscape or you can make it horizontal. Since I was rushing, I didn't make it landscape, but I recommend when you do this for this style that you actually make it vertical. So that way you take up that whole black area and you don't have bars above your head like that and below you. Okay. So now the concept is somebody come to your page. Okay. This is your page right here. Right. And then what they can do, am I in? Okay, so like I was saying, let me see if I'm gonna move this over. I'm gonna move this over to Chrome real fast. I mean to Safari. So I'm gonna move this over to Safari so we can get the full user experience out of it. Okay, put it right here. Okay, so we go back, share again. All right, so concept, somebody on your website, okay? You already had your introduction right here, or you're talking about the product, what now site has to offer, so forth and so on. Now the nice thing is a person can respond to you right here. So they can send you, I'm gonna do a portrait this time. So I can sit here and I can send you a video. So we're gonna Hey, how you doing, Kawan? Appreciate the information that you sent me. Yes, I'm definitely interested. Can you send me some more info? Okay. So now, right on your website. Hey, how you doing, Kawan? Appreciate the information that you sent me. Yes, I'm definitely interested. Can you send me some more info? Okay. And actually, I probably should have did the long way. It looked like. Or they could just send a straight audio to you, which is still cool, right? So let's say somebody didn't want to send a video because they camera shy, but they did want to send something a little bit more personal, then they can send you audio. Hey, hold on. Hold on, let's do this again. Refresh that page. Because I already got my other one I recorded. So come down, the audio. Unable to capture your microphone, please check your console. I'm gonna have to change my settings for this one. Oh, I think it is. I think it's up here. It says my microphone ain't selected. It's muted. Allow, always allow. See, that's what I was messing with before I came back. So I have to change. And so now this is weird. So in my Amazon, I mean in Chrome, the audio is working, but not the video. And then over here, the video is working and not the audio. So that's what I'm working on right now, messing with the settings. So I'll figure that out. But basically, they can send the audio. Let's see if the text is working on here. Let me see. Yeah, I'm really not feeling this one. Let me get up out of here real fast. Go back to Chrome. That's why I don't mess with no Firefox. I mean, no Safari. All right, so let's go back. I'll have all this worked out again, guys. The only reason why I ain't got this all worked out because again, like I said, we ran into our training time. But if I wanted to do the audio, as you can see, I can come here. Allow. Hey, how's it going, Eric? I just wanted to send you a verbal a message saying I'm very interested in the product. I like what I see so far, and I appreciate if you get back with me. Hey, how's it going, Eric? I just wanted to send you a verbal a message saying I'm very interested in the product. I like what I see so far, and I appreciate if you get back with me. So then when they hit the ready to send, boom, you're also going to collect their name and email address. So this is also a good way for you to be doing a lead gen, okay? Just get their name, on Gmail, submit. And then boom. So look, imagine all this happening on your website. Okay. See all that interaction, got the little thing. People are not seeing this type of, people's not expecting this type of interaction when they come to your website. So you're already, you're going to blow them away right out the gate. Then they can also see some cool little emojis and stuff like that if they wanted to. And saying, hey, great site. Okay, send a cool emoji, send a little dollar signs or something. They hit the send, same thing. They hit that. All right. Or they can do they can send you a nice text. Okay. Some people don't want to send no voice. They don't feel comfortable with sending no no voice or no video, and they can just simply send a text. Okay, and then end that information, and then it'll go to you. All right, so now that we got the logistics out the way on what you're gonna get or what you're gonna be able to put on your site, let's go to the actual builder. I'm gonna go back to I'm gonna go back to Safari. So I'm juggling back and forth so we can get the user experience that we need. So I'm gonna go back to Safari. Change this over. I do not like Safari, I'll tell you that. The way this look on the desktop compared to Chrome, oh. All right, so let's go back. Share the screen. All right, there's a lot to go through here. All right, so start from the top, create a campaign. So you're gonna come up in here. You're gonna be able to decide whether you want to do landscape or portrait, okay? Then you're gonna hit your video. Like I said, for me, the video wasn't coming on. Now, the nice thing about this, you can also do, so see, I can do camera, start recording. You can upload a video, it's already been pre-recorded. You can use one of your campaigns, like after we've already started some campaigns, you got one in there, okay? Another thing you can do is right here, you can just hit the landscape and then you can screen record, okay? So if you want to just do, you know how you do the messages with the call to action. I mean, you do a video of the screen and then you got yourself in the box. So what that would be screen and camera. So you just come over here, hit screen and camera. Or if you just wanted to do the screen, then you just hit screen, hit start recording, hit allow. And now you're recording your screen, okay? So this is a good way, quick, if you want to do some screen recording, and then you just hit the stop. And now you got that right there, okay? So that's going to be your campaigns. And then all your campaigns, of course, end up being right here, okay? Now, as you see over here, you can see the analytics. This yours right here. Then you'll be able to come over here and then view your analytics right there. So you can see that you had a conversion, one conversion, 50%, unique, blah, blah, blah. So it'll all be right there, okay? Let's see something else I'm looking for. The leads. All right, so let me go over here real fast. Let me go over here. All right, so now you got, all right, so you can do interactive video funnels as well. Okay, so let me see, do we have any videos here already? Okay, so we're just gonna use that one for right now, for demo. And then the nice thing is, right here and here, we can actually add a call to action right into the video. So let me see. Now, so we got the buy now button right there. You can speed, bounce in. Okay, you can change it. You can put it to the bottom. You can put it to the top, whatever you want. You can change the color, of course. You can change the font size. You can choose what type of it's going to be. If when they click it, if it's going to take them to another video. See, now what you can do is, what's nice, like I said, we're gonna get super elaborate with this. You know, once, like I said, I didn't have time to really put it together, but you can actually string along a set of videos. So that way it just keeps jumping to, you know, a different video. So they might, so this might start them off, right? Kind of like my interactive websites be. So this is start them off. So this could be an intro. It could say something like this. Hey, how you doing? Thanks for landing on my page. Today we're going to learn about the Now Site business, or we're going to learn about the Now Site compensation plan. Choose which one you would like to learn about. And one could say business, the other one could say compensation. They click it, boom, a whole nother video pops up. Okay, then you can just keep stringing them along that way as well. So let's do a URL for right now. Let's take them to, what do we take them to? Let's take them to my website. Okay, then we could add another video if we want, but we're going to leave it at that. Okay, so now we got that. You see, we got the call to action. I'm gonna change that to red. I like red better when it comes to call to action. It looks better. We can change the font size, like I said. It's gonna make that bigger. Okay, and I'll leave it right there for right now. All right, so we hit next. See, that's what I was saying. So look at, you see how it's stringing along? So we can string, you see how it goes to video and then it goes to call to action. So that could be another video right there. And what you're going to do is you're going to be stringing them along right here. And the more videos we add, then you would just see a spider web being formed. So if we had two videos, it would say one would be up here and then one would be down there. Might sound confusing right now, just play with it. It'll all make sense. So we can share this link. Okay, so you can share this now. What you can do is, because I have another software where I do this at, right? I'm gonna give you guys some game. You can use this to actually respond to people in the inbox. Okay, so I haven't really done that to some of you guys yet, but I've done it, and it works wonders, because now you give them like a personal message, and since it don't really take that long, you can just say something real fast, right? And then send it straight to them in their inbox. And if you did that, then you would just copy this. And then let me see, let me change that up. And then you would just send it straight to them like that. And the nice thing is, if you send it to somebody's inbox, how cool is they can just reply right there. So this is in their inbox. You don't need a website. And look at, they can still take advantage of all the call to actions and things like that. Okay. So let's go back. But what I recommend is putting it on your website. So you just grab this code. Okay. You can see you can make it responsive or fixed. I recommend responsive. That means if it gets shrink and is mobile, it'll move as such. So you just grab that code and you'll put it on your Now Site page. Okay. So this right here goes inside your code. Okay. So for people that don't know, so people that's new here, there's a section in Now Site where it says code on your widgets. You put that to your page. You put this right here. You copy this embed code and put it right inside. Okay. Another thing you can do, which is nice, is you can generate an email, right? Okay, let's generate the email code. and I'll show you the benefit in doing an email. Or is this the widget right here? This might be it right here. There, call to action, position. Let's generate the code. See if that does it. All right. And I'm gonna see right here just in case. Okay, there we go. Too. I generate code. Let's do this one. All right. I believe we can put this right into the email. Let me go see real fast. See if they're gonna make us do it a different type of way. If they'll let us go right through the email. So go here. Go to Gmail. What did I change that to? Oh yeah, I think I know what it is. All right, so say this. Oh, I'm tripping. Post to demo. Where's the code? I think this might have to go in the code. Hold up. Emails have them. Hold on, let me see. Code. Is it right here? Insert link. That's not it.
I was going to say, you might be teaching us something huge tonight because I didn't know you could put a code in the Gmail.
You can. Trying to see where it's at. You change this to the witchy editor. Insert target. All right. So when in doubt, go to YouTube route. Send HTML email templates. How to insert HTML template code into Gmail. There's an easier way to do it than that. You shouldn't do all that.
So you've got your own business and you're doing everything you can to promote it. But marketing doesn't always have to be so.
If you're a marketer and you're emailing a So there are three things that you're going to need. One is an image. You will need to have an email account, a Gmail account, and you will also need to have a place to host your video. I'm using YouTube as the example host today. You could be using Wistia. As long as you're able to generate a link, you will be good to go. So let's get started with how this works. I have my Gmail open. I'm composing a message just as I normally would. So let me just go to the top. Let's just say I'm writing an email here, blah, 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 and I'm writing the copy. Okay, wonderful. I'm putting the subject line in. I like to use, so let's just put subject line when the word video is in the subject line, one. So let's just say we're using the image in. The image could be as simple as a screenshot of the video you want people to watch. So for example, this is just simply a screenshot of the video that I want them to watch. If you want to take this to the next level though, here I'll show you another way to. The template is 1280 by 720 pixels. I'm going to use my purple to it. And if I wanted to look however you'd like to be linked to your video, and there is a little bit of a trick to it. So watch what I do. I have my cursor now way over here on the right-hand side of the screen. I'm going to swipe across from right to left until the image turns blue. And when I scroll up here, let me just go up a little higher so we can see this. Hang on a second. Let me get this up a little bit higher. The bar, so it's hard to see, but it says remove, keep original size if you want it to be smaller, YouTube video that you've already uploaded to your channel. If you don't want other people to see this publicly, and then come back into your email, to your Gmail, and paste and hit OK. Now, when I click on the image, you'll see that it says the image will go to this link you've added. They're going to click this, and it's going to take them to the how to share your key.
That's not what I'm looking for. All right, I don't want to take up too much time doing that. There's an easier way to do that though. I just need to figure out how to do it. But you should be able to put you can put a code into your thing. I'll have all this figured out though for you guys later. So, but yeah, you should be able to put this into a code box. I'll tell you how to do it later. But if you do it, if you send that as a code, then when you send it off in a Gmail, let me see about what happens if I just send it like that. So I'm almost positive I ain't gonna do it though. But let's just try it just for the hell of it, just to see what happens. Thank you. Yeah, I knew I wasn't gonna do it. All right, so yeah, so I'll figure out how to do it. But if you do it right and embed it, then it'll leave a GIF, so it looks like a video that could be open, and then you'll just go back and click it to open it, or a person to click it and it'll take them to your video. All right, so that's what those are. Then all your funnels will be right here. Responses will be here. Okay, so you know, like how we did the campaign right there. Let me see. Okay, so you'll be able to keep track of all your responses right here. You'll see your audio responses, you'll see your video responses right down there, you see your text responses, you see your emojis. When I did the response, I didn't hit the send, so that's the reason why you don't see it right here. But I did hit the send on the audio. That's why you see the audio one right here. Remember, this was the one that I did. Let me see, where's that? That's loading. Let's go over here while it's loading. Oh, we already did the view. Oh, I got an error. It says an error right here. Not sure why, but as you can see, you'll see everything right there. You can go back. Not to that one. I am so not used to using this this Safari. All right. What was I trying to go to? What was I? Oh, responses. So your responses, you're gonna be able to go from right here, audio. Look like I did one right here too. See what that one looks like. See if that one went through. It says text message response. Okay, yep. So right there, you can see left a message, said cool. If it was a video, it'll be down there, and then of course the emoji ones is too. All right. You see your leads that you collected. Now this is going to be the only thing, guys. Being honest with you guys, by us sharing the account, then if I let you guys like this the Team Elite one right here, then you're gonna be able to see this down here. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna incentivize. Okay. So like for instance, people that's doing what they're supposed to do and really working the business, you know, or get some sales. I don't know what I'm gonna make it yet. It might be based on rank. It might be banked on rank based on if you got a certain amount of sales. Who knows? But I'm gonna figure it out. And then what I'm gonna do is select people is gonna have their own account. So you'll have your own account back here that you're not sharing with. Roundtable is gonna have their own account, okay, that they don't have to share with nobody. So when you go back here, you won't see other people's stuff. You'll see 100% your own stuff back here, okay? And anybody else outside of just having the Team Elite page, people that's really taking their business serious, probably is gonna need to have their own leads they're collecting and things like that. Then I'm gonna give you your own account, all right? You can also do polls, okay? So you can create a poll. Oh yeah, we're all right. Okay, landscape. I do one again. Hey, how's it going? I just wanted to know if you like left or if you like right. Okay. This will also be cool again in the inbox. Think about that. You know what I mean? Get creative with this. It don't have to just be on your website. So think about if a standalone, you send somebody a poll straight to the inbox. Okay, it could be pretty cool. And then same thing, you can customize up here, see it set up. So allow multiple responses. We got that. Add overlay text. So overlay will go here, overlay text. And then background, optimistic. You can do a call to action. You can put it in the center. I can put it back to the top left like that. Overlay. Into the question. You like this? Option. Enter your choice. Enter a choice. Yes. Okay. Enter another choice and it says no. Okay. Save changes. You can set up appointments. Okay, this is nice. So you can set up your calendar. Okay, enable appointment, your campaigns to let your users book appointments, allow appointments. So you can do that. So book appointment. And it can do this right there in your back office. Okay. I mean, it can do that right there from the from the email that you might have sent them or from right there in the inbox, you know. Book a session with me. All right, hit save changes. And you got your call to action, of course. Join now. Enter text here. Join now. .com. Add button with link. All right, I already got one. There you go. Save changes. Okay, your options, which you want your users to replay with. So you can put this, another thing too. So let's say you want your user to reply in a certain way, right? So let's say you say, look, I don't want my users to reply by video. I just want them to reply by text. So I don't want them to reply by text. I want them to reply by video. So you just add right here, you just select the ones you want them to do. So if you want them to be able to do all the above, you could do just leave them all on green. Okay. Let me see, text, color, background. Okay, I think we're good here. And I'm just trying to go through everything, guys, so you can see. So you can also preview it before. Make sure this is what you're looking like. This is what you want. Okay. So you can book an appointment right there. When. Oh my gosh, it's December 1899. Oh man, I could figure something wrong, but 18.99. So, oh
I'm like, what?
yeah, I did something wrong there.
Miss something?
Oh shoot. Okay, so let's go back. Let's go back. Maybe that's why we got the preview. All right. So where did that happen at? Let's see the appointment. 2022 book session. I don't know. It look like I did it right. So that's what I said. See, that's why I gotta go through all this myself. You know what I'm saying? And really get it all down pat. I don't have it down pat yet. But let's hit the save for right now, just so I can go test some other things without messing anything up. So let's go see what the customize. So it says enable play button, customize the campaign play button as per your brand's color scheme. Okay, so these are what's going on in the front. So instead of having just a regular button, like this could be good for like when you have a site. So imagine your site right now, right? And then like you kind of play with the play button. So you got like this one instead, right? And then you can even animate it. So you got right here, let's say you wanted the flash. Okay, like click here, right? And then it's infinite. You want to keep flashing, like, look, click here, click here. So imagine this on your website and you're telling them right here, like hit the play button, hit the play button, hit the play button, hit the play button. So then let's say, Team Elite, right? We ain't green. I don't want no green play button. We want, want that red or that burgundy sitting right there, right? So you can change the colors of those. Okay. Now you got that. And that could be real good if it's like, hey, alert, alert, alert. Like, hey, alert. You need to take action. You need to take action. Okay. Easily. Okay. Customize the logo. We can put our our team logo right there. That'll go good, right? Let's go with the crown. So let's see. The university, put a nice little crown right there. And we're gonna put it, let's see, bottom left. You can put it right there, logo title, Team Elite. I don't know if this needs to be hosted or this what you can click on. So I'm gonna see right now. Sometimes you gotta host your logo and then you pull that over. We'll see right now though. So let me see. Or this is just a link that they click it, which would be cool. Okay, so I think we're good. Oh, it says file too big. All right, no problem. I got a small version of that. So this should do it. Yep, there you go. Why does it say overlay? Where does it say overlay at? Somewhere it says overlay. Okay, so there we go. We got that, right? So hit save. Always save while you're doing your progress, guys. So if anything ever happens, you ain't got to worry about everything. You losing everything. So now you got the thumbnail because look, this might look crazy, like oh man, I don't like that. I'm gonna have to look better than that. So you can actually change the thumbnail, put a custom thumbnail like that, switch it up. Yeah, upload the thumbnail. I'm pretty sure I got something on my desktop I probably could use. So let's go to one of these templates that I've already used before. Yeah, something like this. All right. And I think we're good. All right. So we hit the save again. Now let's go over to what tracking. So this is if you want, this is for professional, right? This is that step. This is like the next level type stuff right here. So this is like if you had your Facebook pixel, if you had your Google Analytics pixel, this is when it, it starts following you around, after they've already seen it and it keeps on following them. Again, this is going to be a little bit, this is professional stuff right here. So most of you guys probably won't be doing this. So hit the preview again, kind of see where we're at. Again, I don't know why this thing say 18 unless, oh, we can change that. Okay, we can change it. 19, but it's still not letting me change it. So I need to see how I change that thing. I don't know how that got like that, but you can see right here, you got the click in right now. Okay. Then when they play it, hey, how's it going? I just wanted to know if you like. Okay. So we got that. Got the appointments. Teams you don't have to worry about. interactions you don't have to worry about because we are going to be using that one, except for if you have your own account, then you'll be able to hook up your own Aweber, Get Response, MailChimp, something like that. Okay. Like I said, for a team account, we won't have to worry about it. Same thing, when you have your own account, you'll be able to set up team members and be able to put them back here. Right now, you see it probably won't let you do it from what account we on this count. It shouldn't let you do it. Let me see. Let's see. Demo. I'll be do it later. Invite your team. Oh yeah, okay, yeah, it's something different. All right, so yeah, you don't have to worry about that. That's more like you want somebody, if you want to invite somebody else to work on the same thing that you're already working on. So you're not gonna be doing that. All right, so that's the rough draft. I mean, that's the rough version of me showing you. You know what I'm saying? Bear with me, because like I said, normally I go through the whole thing myself. You know, play with everything, make sure everything's working how I need it to work, and then I bring it to you guys. So normally I would have probably said, all right, next week, guys, I got something for you. But I was like, all right, no problem. Hey, we all been here a long time. I'm pretty sure you guys can jump back here, figure it out yourself, play with it, you know what I'm saying, and figure some things out as well. And I'll have everything super down packed by next week. Another thing that I'm gonna do, okay, so this is for you guys, but there's actually next week, I'm gonna I didn't want to bombard you with too much, because this is already a lot. And once you start digging into it, as you see, there's some things like, oh, okay, I got to figure that out. Oh, I didn't know it go like this. You know, you got all your video tutorials right here. So if you ever get stumped or you can't figure things out, you can go right here. You see it, you know, everything's there, how to create a campaign, how to add a video funnel, how to create polls, how to create a team, so forth and so on. So everything's right there. So you don't have to worry about like, oh man, I don't remember what Kwan did, or I got stuck. Next week, I have a video software that's like basically like Vimeo. Okay, so it's like Vimeo. Basically, you're gonna be able to host your videos, but you're gonna be able to not only host your videos, but you're gonna be able to fully edit your videos right inside the software though. So you'll be able to edit the video, and you'll be able to put all your call to actions on top of the video. So a person can click on your video and then go to where you want them to go to, versus a button being under the video. So that can give, and it works along with this. So what's gonna happen is next week, you're gonna look right here, and it's gonna be right here, okay? And you're gonna be able to see that you're gonna be able to go into a whole nother section that's gonna say video, man. And then in that section, you'll be able to do all your editing. So basically, you'll be able to do everything from this one hub, okay? You'll be able to come back here, create a video, or another thing you'll be able to do is you'll be able to do, and we'll go over this one next week. We're gonna go over next week. But another thing you'll be able to do is you'll be able to do text to speech like we did. You'll be able to search for videos, stock images and videos right inside the software, and then lay your call to action. So imagine making like an explainer video. Basically, you'll be able to make like an explainer video or a sales video right here, right? And have the voiceover, the call to action, the images, and it'll just all be in this one place. And then you can turn into like a campaign or something using this, right? Come up here, create a campaign, and instead of recording live, you just upload. See right here? You just upload your video instead. So you hit the upload and then put your video right there versus you record live. So that's why I said this thing, you're real big and what it can do. You know what I mean? Right now, we just touched the surface, but that in itself is already good. So what I recommend is making something like a nice bridge video. You know what I'm saying? Like a real cool bridge video. Or you might just use it just for being creative when you're talking to people in inbox. You know, hey, how you doing? I just want, imagine greeting somebody like this, right? Instead of just your typical, hey, how you doing? My name's Kawan Mayo. I see we have similar interests, so I just thought I'd reach out to you. Or I just say it to you like that, nice and personal. Hey, how you doing? It's Kawan Mayo. I appreciate you accepting my friend's request. I just want to personally see this video to say I look forward to, you know, engaging with you and reach and correspond with each other, whatever, you know. How more personal is that? You know what I'm saying? How much more like impressive you think your prospects are going to be when you send them a message like that versus just a typical, hey, how you doing? We're both marketers, right? Like-minded people. Thought I'd send you something. Yeah, okay. Well, they always get that message. You know what I mean? So this right here is more personal. Plus, somebody looking you eye to eye, face to face, it makes you feel like a real greeting. Like we just shook hands and, hey, how you doing? My name's Kawan. So it's going to go over a lot better when they got a million messages, and here you come with that one video. Also, if you send somebody a video to their inbox, how many people you think is going to open up that video versus if you just send a text? You send a text, it might fall on deaf ears. You send a video, they're going to be curious. They're going to be curious, right? At the very least, what did you send me a video about right now? So they're going to go check it out, see what you're talking about. Oh, okay, cool. And again, starts that relationship. This is going to be great with the Now Site leads, okay, the prospects, because Now Site is giving you the, we're getting the prospects monthly, right? So now with the prospects, you'll be able to reach out to those prospects and in a more professional manner. All right, so let me come over here real fast. So Diana said to embed HTML in email and Gmail, copy the code in plain text format and render the code in a web browser first. Open up the HTML file in Chrome on another browser. You shouldn't have to do that. That might be a way to do it though, but I think it's an easier way to do it. This is free software, free to the elites. You can unmute yourself, Diana. Here, let me make it so everybody can unmute themselves. Hold on. All right, guys, so everybody can unmute themselves, ask any questions you have. Is this free software? Yep, free to y'all. Great for prospecting our targeted prospects. From now, oh, see, Dutch said the same thing I just said. I didn't even see that. We have with all that background. I think that's true. How you say your name? Trail?
That's Tracy Quan. How you doing?
Hey, hey. You knew it. You knew with us, right?
I am, but I'm not.
You've been in the back, just a fly on the wall, just soaking it up.
Man, I haven't been tapped in. But
Okay.
basically at the end of the day, all of it is always so fast. So I got the information as far as just go back to the back office to find everything and to see the video again, right?
Oh yeah, absolutely. It'll be in Elite University, or it'll be in our team group, Now Site Elite group on Facebook, pinned to the top of the page tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay, YouTube knows everything. All right. Oh yeah, exactly, Dutch. You already know YouTube University. But I said if I would have had more time, I would have found it, but I didn't want to use up all the time just trying to look for that.
Did you put the link yet or no?
Oh, my bad. So I gotta give y'all a link, huh? All right, so let's do that.
I'll be Michael for tonight.
Did he ever come? Is Michael here?
Nah, he ain't showed up.
Okay. All right, here we go.
I'm eating chicken. Do you want some?
Yeah.
All right, so they go to login for you guys. They go to username. They go to password. I couldn't do that was another weird thing. I was noticed I couldn't change the email. Change the password. So that's the password for right now until I figure out how to change to Elite 123. So for right now, it's got that password, which is not our normal password. So write that down, guys, because normally it'll be Elite 123. So I want you guys going to that later and be like, wait, what's going on? I can't get in. So right now it's that. But if we need to change it later, if I find out how to change it later, it'll be Elite 123 for sure. You said you're still muted, Diana? All right, hold on. Ask all to unmute. Go ahead.
Awesome. So the roundtable, are you giving them a different code, or are we supposed to be taking this one?
Roundtable is gonna have their own. I'm just gonna
Okay.
get everybody. I just need all y'all emails later, and
Okay.
I'll send that. And then I'll figure out what I'm gonna do for the for everybody else as far as who gonna get their own account. So I got about I'm gonna give away probably like 100. So I gotta so 100 people that's doing what they're supposed to do is gonna be that's gonna be in time. It ain't gonna be all at once because everybody ain't doing what they're supposed to do. But people that's actually working and like I said working doing what they're supposed to do, then I'll make sure that you guys have your own account. You know, people that's actually probably gonna really utilize it. There's certain people I know that's gonna use it. You know what I'm saying? Already doing things above and beyond with Now Site's platform, but people ain't even made their first website yet. Go over there and log into the elite one. So you had the elite one, no matter what. But then people that's like going above and beyond, like, come on, I got clients. I'm already about to hit platinum. I'm about to, okay, no problem. I see you working at a high level. Here you go. You know, people ain't even got their first 5 out the way yet. You gotta go do some more work. All right, but I don't want people to feel like if you ain't got your first 5 that you can't get nothing. So that's why you still get to log into the team one. So we got the team version, and then we'll have private personal versions for the super users, people that are really, you know, getting it in, doing what they're supposed to do. You know, they'll have their own version. All right, any questions? What we're gonna do next week is we'll probably go over this again. We're gonna recap, okay, because we're gonna be going over the other software, but the other software is gonna be inside of this software. So we're just gonna go over this again. Like, we're gonna recap over this on the high level. Hopefully we can do everything on Chrome, and I don't have to be on a Safari because Safari is ugly. So we do everything on Chrome. Yeah, I don't like Safari. That was terrible. So we're gonna do it again. I'm gonna go over everything again, and then we're gonna go over the new software and then tie it all in. Had a guess, but he became impatient. How you became impatient for what? It only took me, I was only 2 minutes. I think I came in at 5:32. People got to practice patience. Practice patience. Like, it's not, you know, people be in a rush. And you know, it'd be so funny. Everybody be in a rush to do like nothing. Like, you'd be like, all right, what you rushing for? What did you have to go to? Nothing. I just got tired of waiting. Okay, so you got tired of waiting. What'd you end up doing when you didn't wait no more? Nothing. All right, come on, man, relax. Unless you really got something to do, but you ain't got nothing to do, relax. You know what I mean? But it's all good.
Yeah. Maybe they need to get to the extraction point when they still waiting for the pickup. See what they gonna do then.
You know what I mean? I was waiting. You know what I mean? Come on, man.
Man, we still waiting for that pickup. Okay, be there 5 mics. Okay, we're waiting.
You know what I mean? Like, for real. I mean, what you got so important? You know what I mean? Like, what you got going on? If you can't tell me you did something extra more important than we had going on today, you just wait it out. We're gonna be here, you know. But it's all good. I get it. Like I said, yeah, like, on time is to be late. You know what I mean? On early is to be on time. So it's all good. That was my fault. I'll be here on time next week, you know. And I can even see in our numbers. Like, lately we've been at 60 or 70. There's no way if I'm giving away free software, we wouldn't have had that same 70. So that definitely was a reflection of me not posting earlier and me not being here earlier. So that's all good. You know,
And it's a weird day too, so don't beat yourself up because it's a day, a lot of people had the day off and just kind of the day got away from them.
That's true. And we still coming off a holiday. Some people are still with the family. Some people ain't even got back home yet and all that. So last thing on their brains really like, let's do some more work. You know, they still like, hey, I'm still off. So get all that work. I'll come back to that after New Year's. Some people kind of like, I'll get back to work after New Year's. Like, you know what I mean? Like right now I'm still on vacation. So it is all good. And yeah, Julian, even though he didn't come, you can always give him the replay. I don't mind. So you can show him the replay. Or you can wait till next week, invite him back, and we're going to really knock it out the park next week because we're going to have 2 softwares to be able to show him. And I would have all the bugs worked out of this one where I'll know how to work this to the fullest. And then, yeah. So next week will be even better anyway. So everything happens for a reason.
Yeah. Yo, I gave him, I sent him one of your videos from Now Site, you know, where you talk about Now Site and what it does. So he has that. But the thing is, when he sees success, he's gonna come back. That's what I see. Like when he sees success, he's gonna be like, yo, that idea that you presented to.
Yep. No doubt. And exactly. You know what I mean? Like we know we got here. So even if you miss one, no problem. Catch the next one. You know what I mean? Because you catch the next one, right. We're gonna still come with value. So it ain't like one of the things like, oh man, you missed that. That's all we got to show. Like, oh man, you missed our only, damn, I just showed you my best moves. Like, nah, it's all good. Next week gonna be better than this week anyways. Like I said, I wasn't even really prepared this week. I kind of, like I said, all right, show must go on. But really, I would have preferred to just kind of push this to next week and have everything up to par. You know, I don't want to jump through different browsers and all that. That's too much. So it's all good. Everything happened for a reason. Let them get the good presentation, next week. For what you teach, you give, the way is well worth it. I appreciate you, Tina. All right, so any more questions? Or we can wrap it up and get this into the Elite University, get this into our group. I already put the login information, all that'll be below the video as well. So if you go to Elite University to watch it, all that stuff will be right below the video, the login, the username, all that. So if you forget, you don't have to worry about it. It'll just be right there in the Elite University up under it. Thank you. Any more questions here? I'm gonna give everybody a chance to mute because I know how that happens. So you might be trying to unmute yourself and just can't. So right now you can unmute yourself. Now's the time if you have a question. You're welcome, Dutch. No questions this week. All that, no questions. All right, okay.
Got to look at it and play with it before we got questions.
There you go. There you go.
Yeah,
I got
have to watch.
questions.
I have to watch the replay. I got in late.
Okay. But everybody got the gist of the most part, right? Like what it is and what you got. Oh, y'all got it so late, you don't even know what's going on. Like, what was that? What was I just looking at?
Funnels.
It's like a video funnel. So it's like you can create it. And like I said, if you get creative, you can really do some elaborate things. Because think about it. It could be an interactive video funnel. So you can have them click one thing, it takes them to someplace else, takes them someplace else, takes them to someplace else. You can actually create that. So you can make it where one video leads to another video, to another video, to another video, but all you sent them was, and what's dope about that is when you send it to them, all they're gonna see is the one video. So in their brain, they're gonna say, oh, this is just a quick 2-minute video she sent me. No problem. I watched that. Then all this other call to action start popping up. Naturally, you're gonna get curious. You know, you see a big old button that says click here for more info, or click here to learn about the comp plan, or click here to learn about our special offer that Now Site's gonna give you, you know, this only Tuesday today. And that's why I was saying, if you gotta make something quick, it's good for that too, because you're like, oh man, Now Site just announced that we got a special going on. All right, cool. You can put that video together, you know what I mean? And then boom, right away, send out to your people. And then you got the full analytics in the back. You can see if they opened it, you can see if they watched it, you can see what they did, you know, or you can see they did nothing. And it sounds good for that. And like I said, just help you stick out from the rest, man. Like everybody else ain't doing that. So when you do it, it's gonna be like, ooh, okay, that's different. You know what I mean?
True.
Always appreciate the new information and knowledge. You're welcome, Kevin. Welcome, iPad, whoever that is with the iPad. You're welcome. Will you be make one video for both email and text? Will you be able, I don't kind of understand that question, Howard. Will you be able to make one video for both email and text? Yeah, tell me what you mean by that. Say it out, say it live. Yeah, I'm gonna let you unmute again just in case you tried and can't. Go ahead. Howard, can you talk? I want to answer your question, but I don't really understand by the way you phrased it. And if somebody else can help me out. I guess not.
Will you make one video for both the email and the text? Oh, okay. Like, I guess, so like how you made a video right now of everything?
Uh-huh.
I guess he's asking to make a video of just how to do the email portion and then how to do the text portion. I was thinking just going to YouTube and Google or YouTubing this and seeing if there's a training video.
Wait. Say that one more time. You lost me again.
Is it for the HTML? Is that what you're talking about, Eric? Or
will you be able to make one video for both email and text? Oh, are you saying, can this be used to send as an email or send as a text? And if that's what you're saying, then yes, you can do that by just sending the link. You know what I mean? Remember, you can generate a link and you can take that link and then text it to them. So that when they open it, and remember, this is responsive too. So when they open it, it will be on the page. You know, it'll look nice and clean. And yeah, you can do that. Bless you. Hopefully that was that answered your question.
Probably. I think that's what he was asking.
Always appreciate you, Paul. I appreciate you as well, Jay, and everybody that's here. Thank you for always give us more and pique our interest. You already know, Diana, that's my pleasure. Give you guys as much tools to succeed.
Hey, I just want to shout out that if y'all haven't started, I can't see right now, but that's because I think I'm blurred out. Hang on.
Yeah, blurring it out, but I think they can see it. And if I can't see it here, I'll show it for you.
Yeah, there you go.
How to build
Man.
network marketing leaders.
I keep knocking my head with this. Whenever chance I get 5 minutes, whether it's 5 minutes, 10 minutes that I can read it, I'm in there. I got notes and
It'll change the way you look at people,
Yeah.
man. It really do. It really does. Y'all notice I ain't seen me on a rant in a long time. Remember before y'all just see me on a rant like every couple of weeks. Y'all see me on one of the rants. Why ain't nobody doing nothing? Guys, what's wrong with you guys? I done gave y'all the blueprint. You don't want to build a house? I ain't even tripping off that no more. It's like I already know most people ain't gonna do what they're supposed to do, so it's fine. Concentrate on the people that are. Concentrate on the Dianes, the Erics, you know what I mean? The Spencers, the people you see every week, you know what I mean? Every week, no matter what's going on, you're gonna see them. That's what you concentrate on. And everybody else just fall in line, man. Fall where they may. Everything for everybody. All right, guys, we good? All right, cool. So I'll see you guys next week. Appreciate you guys. This will be in the Elite University. It'll also be in a group tomorrow. And again, apologize for being tardy, but next week we'll be back on point, on time, and I'll have all this stuff down pat, and we'll be able to give a nice presentation on everything. I appreciate you guys. See you next week. Have a blessed day.